Here's how to use Colmi C81, especially for messages, call and application notifications. Let's explore first the watch functions. This is brightness control, do not disturb and menu settings. System info, flashlight, call and media audio, find your device. Swipe left to check your data for your daily steps. Heart rate check. Sleep record. Weather check. Music can be connected to Spotify. When wearing your earphone, you can adjust the volume and control the play button or move to the next song. Even if you lock your screen, you can still control it. Cool, right? Now let's explore the buttons. In the upper button you can see the menu and it is rotatable. The button below is for on and off of the screen, and when you press it longer it is the turn off. You can also change your wallpaper with it. Now let's connect the watch to the phone. On iPhone, go to App Store, then download Fit Cloud Pro. Then allow notifications and allow the Bluetooth. Make an account first, then connect the watch to the device. Make sure to always turn on your Bluetooth whenever you are wearing your watch. When connecting, keep the smartwatch nearby your phone. Now connected. For Android, go to Play Store, then download Fit Cloud Pro app. Kindly read the terms and agree. Make an account, then connect the device via Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth, then find C81. Allow access to your contacts. Now let's try first to customize our wallpaper by tapping watch face. You may change the time position and now set as watch face. Sync success. You may also choose a variety of wallpapers. For Android, choose Dial Library to customize your wallpaper. You may choose the color, style, and position of the time. Then tap Create Dial. Then wait to sync in. Done. You can also use your smartwatch to capture a photo in your device. Just shake your watch. Now, let's set up the notifications. Make sure to toggle on all the notifications you want to receive in your smartwatch. This settings is for iPhone, more reminders is for other apps. It is important that you toggle on the call and media audio on the smartwatch so that you will receive all the notifications. For Android, allow all the required permissions and follow the same procedure. Toggle on the apps for which you want to receive notifications. On your phone settings, allow Fit Cloud Pro to access notifications. The notification settings on Android are more detailed compared to iPhone, so make sure you toggle on the notifications you need. You should now be able to receive notifications from your phone. Swipe up the screen to view all your notifications. Hope this helps.